Welcome to Mathematics 5. Good day, children. How are you? How was your modules? Are you done answering it? Very good. Keep up the good work. Today, we are learning to visualize the ratio of two given numbers. Okay, as we start our lesson this morning, please get your notebook, paper, ball pen or pencil, and most of all, your module in Mathematics 5. So, what are we waiting for? Sit down and listen carefully. Before we will start our lesson this morning, we will have first a review. I have prepared 2 questions for you to answer. Okay, let's go! What is the topic that we have discussed last meeting? Very good! It is about dividing decimal numbers. Second question. How will you divide decimal numbers? How will you divide decimal numbers? Okay, let us answer the question, how will you divide decimal numbers? To divide decimals, make the divisor a whole number by multiplying both the divisor and the dividend by the same power of 10. Continue until the divisor becomes a whole number, then proceed to the division. Okay, did you understand? Hopefully yes. So, according to the explanation, when we divide decimals, we make sure that our divisor is a whole number. By what? By multiplying the power of 10. Very good. Example. 0.18 or 18 hundredths divided by 8 tenths or 0.8 equals n. So, according to the explanation, before we will divide, let us make the divisor a whole number. By the way, what is our divisor? Very good. The 0.8 or the 8 tenths. So what will we do? We will multiply the divisor by 10. So 0.8 or 8 tenths times 10. So what will we do now? Very good. According to the rules, we will bring down the 0. Then we will multiply 1 times 8. So what times 8 is equals to? Very good, 8. Now, the question is, how will we put the decimal point? So, in order for us to know where is the decimal point, we have to move the decimal point going to the right. So, let's start from the decimal point. So, going to the right, it moves 1 or it moved 1 only. Meaning, we have to move also to our answer starting the 0. So, we have to move 1 in order to put a decimal point like that. So we will put a decimal point at the center of 8 and 0. So our answer is 8. So the answer of 0.8 times 10 equals 8. 8.0 or 8. Understood? Good job. Okay, we are done multiplying the divisor by 10. Now, we will multiply also the dividend. So the same way what we have done to our divisor. So 1800s times 10 or 0.18 times 10. So again, bring down 0, then 1.1 times 8 equals 8, then 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Very good. Then what will we do? We will move the decimal place to the right. So how many move? 1, 2. We have 2 moves going to the right. So to our answer 180, we will move the same 2 moves, but from the right going to the left, like this. 1, 2. So our decimal point will be put at the middle of or at the center of 1 and 8. So our answer is 1.80 or 1.8. So our divisor is dividend is 1.8. Understood? Very good. Okay, we are done multiplying the divisor and the dividend by 10 just to make it a whole number. Now, I will give you another way on how to make a divisor a whole number. By what? By moving the decimal point going to the right. So, what is our divisor? Very good. 0.8 or the 8 tenths. So, if we will move the decimal point going to the right, just to make this number a whole number. So the question is, how many move? Very good. We have a 1 move just to make it a whole number. So that our answer will be 8.0 or 8. Since we have a 1 move, it means that to our dividend 0.18 or 1800s, we have to make a 1 move also. So we will move the decimal point going to the right. How many move? Just a 1 move, like this. Very good. So our decimal point will be at the center of the 1 and 8. So our answer will be 1.8. So we have the same divisor and dividend, the 8 and 1.8. It's up to you on what way will you use. Understood? Good job. Okay, what is the technique in moving the decimal place? Because I know this technique is an easy way to make the divisor a whole number. So you will just move the decimal point going to the right just to make the divisor a whole number. So you will count how many move did you do, and then you will apply it the same way to the dividend so that you can have a good answer. So you will count how many move. Understood? Good job. Okay, let us divide those decimals. 1.8 divided by 8. So 1 divided by 8 equals, very good, cannot be. So we will put 0, and then 0 times 8 is equals to 0. Then if we will subtract this, we can have a difference of 1. Then we will bring down the 8 so that it will become a 18. Then 18 divided by 8 is equals to 2. Very good, because 2 times 8 is equals to 16. But later, we will put the 16. We will put first the decimal point. So, we will align the decimal point. So again, 2 times 8 is equals to 16. Then 18 minus 16 is equals to 2. So, we have a remainder of 2. But, in decimals, we will just add 0. Then, we will bring down the 0 just to make it 20. And then, 20 divided by 8 is equals to, very good, 2. 2 times 8 is equals to 16. Then, if we will subtract it, we can have a difference of 4. So, we will add again another 0. Then, we will bring down 0 and makes it 40. So, 40 divided by 8 is equals to 5. And then, 5 times 8 equals to 40. Then 40 times, 40 minus 40 is equals 0. So, our final answer is 0.225 or 225 thousandths. Understand? Very good. Okay, let us check your answer if it is correct by multiplying our answer to our divisor. Okay, let's start. 8 times 5 is equals to, very good, 40. 40, bring down 0, carry 4. And then 8 times 2 is equals, very good, 16. Plus 4 equals 20. Again, bring down 0, carry 2. Very good. 8 times 2 is equals 16 plus 2 equals, very good, 18. Now, the question is, what is where is the decimal point? So what will we do? By moving the decimal point going to the right, and then we will count the decimal places or the moves that we have done. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 moves, meaning we have 3 decimal places. Okay, let's do it to our answer. Let's start from the right, going to the left. How many moves again, or how many decimal places? Very good. 3 decimal places, or 3 moves. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. So that is our decimal point. So our answer is 1.800. Look, we have the same answer. Our answer is the same with our dividend, meaning our answer 0.225 is a correct answer. Understood? Good job. Okay, let's have a drill. I have here a data, and please copy this data in your notebook or paper so that you can answer your questions later. So, in a column 1, we have a section. In a column 2, male. In a column 3, female. In a column 4, a total. So, in a row 2, we have a carp, section carp. In a row 3, we have a section bangos. In a row 4, a total. Okay, I will read the data. So, in a section carp, the total number of males are 15. In a female, 15. In a total of 30. In a section bangus, so we have 25 males, 10 females, and a total of 35. So all in all, we have 40 males, 25 females, and 65 students. Understood? So you can use this data to answer the question later. Okay, questions. Please answer the questions carefully and write your answers on your notebook or paper. Very good. Okay, question number 1. How many male and female pupils in a section carp have? Number 2. How many male and female pupils in a section bangus have? Question number 3. Compare the male pupils of section carp to bangus. Question number 4. Compare the female pupils of section bangus to carp. Go and answer. Let us have a break. Make use of them to answer your activity. Good luck.
The Radyo Z-eskwela program of the Division of Davao de Oro is being brought to you by Nueda Builders Construction and Supply Incorporated, Maverick Builders Incorporated, Mitch Construction and Supply, Archicons Architectural Construction and Supply, DB Construction and Supply, Hanaway Builders Corporation, Phoenix Corvada Tagum Gasoline Station, Master Construction and Supplies, Mackenzie Builders, GP&H Construction Incorporated, Metro Gear Construction Corporation, NEN Builders and Development Services Corporation, Max Mays Enterprises Incorporated, We Inc. Construction Company, Rangay Construction and Supply, East Sussex Enterprise, WM Construction, Councilor Boogie and Miss Marjorie Vertodazo, Icon Builders and Supply, and Apex Mining Company Incorporated.
Okay, let us answer your work. Question number 1. How many male and female pupils in a section carp have? Very good. Section carp has 15 male pupils and 15 female pupils. Question number 2. How many male and female pupils in a section bangus have? Very good. Section bangus has 25 male pupils and 10 female pupils. Okay, question number 3. Compare the male pupils of section carp to bangus. Very good. Section carp has 15 male pupils, while section bangus has 25 male pupils. Good job! Question number 4. Compare the female pupils of section bangus to carp. Very good! Section bangus has 10 female pupils, while section carp has 15 female pupils. Good job! Okay? Write your score at the top of your notebook or paper. Good job! What's that? Are you familiar with that? How will you read that? Is that a time? So, what's that? It is a ratio or an example of a ratio. Now, what do you mean by ratio? Do you have a prior knowledge about ratio? Okay, let's define what is ratio. Ratio is a comparison of two different things. Take note, a comparison of two different things or numbers. We generally express the two numbers as a ratio using colon. So at the center of the 12 and 15, that is colon. Okay. So, take note of this sentence. A comparison of two different things or numbers. So, what do you mean by different? Okay, let's have an example. Laptop and cell phone. They are different things. At the same time, they are two. Another, male and female. They are different. Cat and dog. They are different. So, did you understand what is ratio? Very good. Good job. Colon or the center of the 12 and 15 reads as n is 2. So, you will read that colon is 2. So, if you will read this number, 12 is to 15. Understood? Good job! Okay, let's go back to our question or activity or drill a while ago. Okay, how many male and female pupils in a section carp have? Okay, we have a 15 male and 15 female. Now, what is the ratio? Very good. 15 is to 15. Good job. Okay, question number 2. How many male and female pupils in section Bangus have? Section Bangus has 25 male pupils and 10 female pupils. Now, what is the ratio? Very good. 25 is to 10. Question number 3. Compare the male pupils of section carp to section Bangus. Section carp has 15 male pupils while section Bangus has 25 male pupils. Now, what is the ratio? Very good. 15 is to 25. Good job. Question number 4. Compare the female pupils of section Bangus to carp. Section Bangus has 10 female pupils, while section carp has 15 female pupils. Now, what is the ratio? Very good. 10 is to 15. Do you know that ratio can be written as fraction form? Of course, yes. Let's try. Example. Read that ratio. Very good. 6:12. Now, how will we make that a fraction? Knowing that fraction has a numerator and a denominator. So how will we make that into a fraction form? The first number will be our numerator, while our denominator is the second number after the colon. Understood? I repeat, the first number will be our numerator. So what is our first number? Very good, the 6. So 6 will be our numerator. Then, while our denominator is the second number after the colon. So, what is the second number? Very good, number 12. Now, number 12 is our denominator. So, if we will write this into fraction form, we can have a 6/12. Our numerator is 6 and our denominator is 12. Understood? Good job! Okay, going back to our activity a while ago. Last activity, what we did is about writing the ratio. Now, we will write the fraction form. Understood? Very good. Okay, number 1. 15:15. What is the fraction form? Very good. 15/15. Or 15/15. Very good. Question number 2. 25:10. So, the correct answer is 25/10. Very good. Number 3. Okay, let's read the ratio. Very good. 15:25. How about the fraction form? Very good. 15/25. Question number 4. Read the ratio. Very good. 10:15. Now what is the fraction form? Very good. 10/15. Good job. Now, did you understand the meaning of ratio? How about my examples? Did you get it? And I hope yes. Okay, let's have an activity. But before that, we will read first our direction. Read the story below and answer the following questions. Okay, here is the story. Franz is a caretaker in a large zoo. His morning routine includes feeding the animals. He feeds 10 deers, 3 elephants, 4 giraffes, 3 zebras, 9 monkeys, 6 snakes, 4 crocodiles, and an alligator. Good luck! Okay, here are the questions. Question number 1. What is the ratio of elephants to deers? The ratio of giraffes to monkeys is. What is the ratio of snakes to crocodiles? What is the ratio of monkeys to deers? The ratio of alligator to elephants is. Good luck! Let us have a break. Make use of time to answer your activity. Good luck!
The Radyo Z-eskwela program of the Division of Davao de Oro is being brought to you by Nueda Builders Construction and Supply Incorporated, Maverick Builders Incorporated, Mitch Construction and Supply, Archicons Architectural Construction and Supply, DB Construction and Supply, Hanaway Builders Corporation, Phoenix Corvada Tagum Gasoline Station, Master Construction and Supplies, Mackenzie Builders, GP&H Construction Incorporated, Metro Gear Construction Corporation, NEN Builders and Development Services Corporation, Max Mays Enterprises Incorporated, We Inc. Construction Company, Rangay Construction and Supply, East Sussex Enterprise, WM Construction, Councilor Boogie and Miss Marjorie Vertodazo, Icon Builders and Supply, and Apex Mining Company Incorporated.
Okay, let's check your work. Question number 1. What is the ratio of elephants to deers? Very good. 3:10 or 3/10. Number 2. The ratio of giraffes to monkeys is. Very good. 4:9 or 4/9. Number 3. What is the ratio of snakes to crocodiles? Very good. 6:4 or 6/4. Number 4. What is the ratio of monkeys to deers? Very good. 9:10 or 9/10. Number 5. The ratio of alligator to elephants is. Very good. 1:3 or 1/3. Good job. Write your scores on the top of your notebook or paper. Very good. Okay, generalization. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities. So, you compare two different quantities or different things. Understood? A colon generally separates the two numbers in the ratio. Order the ratio is important. So order, meaning the order of the ratio. So what is the first number will be the first number and the second number will be the second number. Understood? Very good. Okay, let's have an evaluation. Let's read first our direction. Write each ratio in colon form and in a fraction form. Number 1. 18 roses to 5 chocolates. Number 2. 21 girls to 20 boys. Number 3. 12 eggs to 1 chicken. Number 4. 5 apples to 4 oranges. Number 5. 17 kids to 19 adults. Go and answer. Good luck! Okay, let's check your work. Number 1. 18 roses to 5 chocolates. The correct answer is 18 is to 5 or 18/5. Very good. Number 2. 21 girls to 20 boys. Very good. 21 is to 20 or 21/20. Number 3. 12 eggs to 1 chicken. The correct answer is 12 is to 1 or 12/1. Number 4. 5 apples to 4 oranges. The correct answer is very good. 5 is to 4 or 5/4. Number 5. 17 kids to 19 adults. Good job! 17 is to 19 or 17/19. Very good. Please write your answers on the top of your notebook or paper. Very good. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and God bless. Keep safe and I hope you learn something from me.
Radyo Z-eskwela Executive Committee, the school's Divisional Gutierrez Jr. and Jade Karen Arais.